I don't know what this is. That's hard to distinguish. Chili? I don't know. That's formula. We're not gonna touch that. Apple. Something to work with right there. You have this sausage, and you have obviously butter. I would make a sausage, fried egg sandwich, or even an egg. Egg cooked in a microwave is a pretty easy way to cook something. All right, no one's gonna notice that sausage is gone. Don't have any salt. Do have butter. And this ridiculously small knife. I have no idea what the... Whoever made this, I think, is like a Monopoly board piece. This is ridiculous. I feel like I'm on some bad cooking show. Here's the nice plates. Oh, that's dirty. I think it tastes pretty good.
You wanna try?